Hi everyone, this is the Racing Chica. So today I will be installing R1 Performance Series brake pads on my 2009 Subaru WRX. I currently have the StopTech ST40s on them. So next, check out the car. Yay! So now I'm kind of done cleaning that. Take a 4.5mm Allen key to unscrew this. Alright, so I got the plate off. Now, grab these. Kind of just shake it back and forth. These brake pads do not want to come out. Okay, those make them come out. There we go. Finally. Oh, kind of damaged it a little bit. So. Oh, well, this side came out easy. Good. Cool. So what I like to do is write on the back side of these, like the outside or the inside of the wheel well. So that way when I put them back in, or if I need to put it back in, I know where they go. So, and as you can tell, look at all that. It gets hot in there. Right. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my hands to kind of press in the pistons. They're pretty easy, they're not too hard. All set. Now let's grab some brake pads. It's a good rubber band on these. Okay. Slide this in. Anymore. And then, where's my mallet? Give it a good pounding. There we go. I pop in. Next one. Cool. So cameraman, zoom in here real quick. You can see how they set in there. Then put this back on. Then you screw in those bolts again. Yeah, pretty simple. And I don't turn my rotors because they don't have that vibration when I'm braking, and not many shops will turn rotors that are slotted either, and it's kind of pointless because you are taking off layers of it. So unless you're having a real vibration problem, I honestly wouldn't turn them at all. So, and I've lifed my rotors on. They last me a little bit over a year, and that's with 7 to 8 races a year, so they last a pretty long time. And same with the brake pads. Actually, the brake pads and the rotors, they go out at the same time, which is convenient. So yeah, on to the rears. Okay, so again, I like to clean these forehand. And they're all pretty shiny red again. Get I got a shorter screwdriver. Just kind of push down on this metal band here. Hold it, and then you just push that pin through, and then this will mount just like that. And then you need to get the other pin out. Hopefully these ones will come out easier than the fronts. Yep. I don't know why the fronts are always beast. So there they are. Okay. Cool. And again, I'm going to write on the outside of these, but as you can tell, like, the rears really don't get that much heat. They have, I think, a lot more brake pad life than the fronts. So. Okay, so just like the front, I just use my hands and slowly push back the pistons. Make sure they're nice and flat. Done. Squeeze. Okay, now to get my brake pads. Oh, I gotta go find them. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Alright. So I'm going to follow like I did with my other brake pads. The silver tab is on the outside, and this one is on the inside. And look how lovely those go in. I love working on the brake pads. They're so much easier than the fronts. Alright, so just kind of go backwards from there. Put everything back together. Put that there. Okay, and that's it. Nothing to it. Pretty simple. Alright guys, and you just repeat this on the other side, and that's it. Till next time.